Okay, if you go to your projects, and once you log into WeVideo and go to projects, you should see something called Good Mornings. Tap on that. Oh, makes me want to edit it. Tap on that. Start video. We're gonna start from scratch. So I'm gonna do blank edit. Start. And here's the really cool thing that I love about WeVideo is the fact that we have something called stock media, or if you see a star, hit the star. And there's tons and tons of different kinds of things that you can use. If you type in here, and since this is a morning, we'll do sun, maybe sunrise, and we get all these different kinds of sunrises. Even motivational ones, some beautiful ones of the ocean. Let's take a look at this one. I click it. It looks like it's just a still. Oh, I don't want that. I guess because it doesn't have these numbers. What about above or some clouds? Yeah, that's kind of cool. Maybe a man standing on top of the sun, on the top where the sun is. It's kind of cool too. Sunrise over the forest. Sun rising over palm trees. Man, it looks kind of scary actually. Time lapse over the ocean. Beautiful sunrise over the mountains. Kind of like that one because kind of reminds me of Pasadena. So I'm going to bring this down. Just hold it. Bring it down to here on video 1. And it's important that it's in video 1. And then with sunrise, I could also choose maybe some audio that might reflect sunrise. So let's see. Let me click on this and hit play. Oh, that's boring. Nah, it's kind of sad sounding. Kind of there. Wake to the sunrise. All right, that sounds like a good morning sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that down here. I'm just going to go to the end of this, and then if you see, I can actually choose to just make this by clicking at the end, bring it down to so it fits my video. Then next I'm going to go to text, and there's all sorts of different kinds of text templates that you can have. And you see, like this one's flying, middle Earth, I guess. I don't know, middle text. All these different kind of upper middle. Priority. These different kinds of things going on. Let's see. Well, something kind of catchy. Puff. Kind of cool. I'm going to bring this down over here. I'm actually going to put it kind of in a place where it ends first. And then to change it, if I double click on it, instead of out with a puff, if I just do good morning frostig, it'll show up. And then I can actually choose kind of fonts I want. I can also choose the colors I want. Maybe a little